Today we will be making curry chicken. So curry chicken is a very delicious recipe. And how to make curry chicken? Let's begin. So we need 2 large onions, clove around 10, and ginger maybe around 8 cm. And beside that, we will be using cumin powder, coriander powder, and the spices will be curry leaves, star anise, and cinnamon stick. Okay, the curry powder, chicken curry powder, fish curry powder, turmeric, salt, and we need milk 1 cup, water 1 cup. So first we will blender the ingredients and then we'll saute this. So let's blender this. We also put sarai, around 3 pieces of sarai. Before we put the grinded ingredient, let's put the star anise and the cinnamon and the curry leaves. We will cook this for 5 minutes before we put our curry powder. Okay. Now the ingredients have boiled, so now we are putting the cumin powder. We will put 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Chicken curry powder we will put 2. Fish curry powder we will put 1. Turmeric we will put half teaspoon. We will put the salt now. We will put 1 teaspoon of salt. We will let the curry powder cooked with the ingredient. Once it's well cooked, then we'll do the next step. We'll add a bit of water so that the spices can fry, around half a cup of water. So we let the curry powder cook properly first before we put the chicken in. While waiting for the curry powder, you keep on stirring so that it doesn't burn. We will cook another 5 more minutes. Now you will see some oil have turned up on the ingredients. So now is the time we will put in the chicken. make this curry chicken tasty, what is important, you put enough garlic and ginger. So the reason I put 8 cm of ginger, so it gives the flavor to the curry chicken. So take note of that, and it's not too much of ginger. You'll make your curry chicken more tasty. So now we already put the chicken. We'll add some water. 1 cup of water. And let the chicken cook. It will take another 15 minutes for the chicken to cook. We'll cover it so that it doesn't splash, and wait for the chicken to cook. We let the drumstick cook. Once it's cooked, then we'll put the milk in. So we give another 5-10 minutes. Now we'll add in the milk. Using 1 cup of milk. Milk will give flavor to the chicken. Because the curry is a bit thick, so we add a bit of water. The chicken have cooked. You can see the drumstick is all well cooked now, and you can smell the curry chicken going around the kitchen, and it gives you a very nice smell. So do try this recipe, and do comment on my channel how you find the curry chicken, and I hope you enjoy this curry chicken recipe. That's all for now. Take care.